Hey there, August celebrants. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Rock on, August. Yeah, we rock, di ba? Mga Virgo and everything. As if I believe in that. Anyway, just want to special mention to yung sa August celebrants na nag-submit ng names nila to Barbs. Just want to say happy birthday to Nadia. Uy, I always tweet with you kasi palagi nagtitweet sa akin. So, yun. And Charmaine, Facebook, every time. Yeah. And Elaine, Rogian, I hope that's right. Sorry, sabi di kasi namin alam how you spell it, or how you say it. And Wena, Nix, and Rosalind Matias. Happy birthday to all of you. So, yun nga. Wish you all a happy birthday and keep supporting. Thank you. Tapos manood nga kayo ng taping para I can actually meet you in person. And thank you si Ate Barbs niyo for actually coming here to my place to get this video from me. I know this isn't enough to thank you guys, kaya kita-kits tayo soon. Kita-kits next. Peace!